Okay.
You gonna watch it, buddy? Keep an eye on it.
Okay, out on launch pad number 1, Bill Spadafora, and actually Zach, I think, is going to be launching a Calder Zach. He'll be flying at SSB 64. Pad number 1's got continuity, and Zach is going to be flying in 3, 2, 1, launch.
Okay, turn around and watch it.
Zachy.
Very nice. Good job, Zach.
See it? See it right over there? Okay, let's go get it.
Good thing Ken's not here.
Oh yeah, we'll get it. Now, you have to walk slowly through here and don't step off the wire.
Good luck on that.
Drop a coin. Yeah.
Did you see your rocket, baby? Show mommy. What's your name? Go ahead. Tell mommy. What letter is it? Okay. Hi. Did you have fun?
You gonna do it
Yes.
again?